Kalau ada anyone who wants to like reach out as a patient ke apa, how can they reach you? Like is it on social media ke, website ke, ada tak?
Kita ada, you boleh search IU Clinic on social media, and our website should be up and running soon. ilive.world.
InsyAllah.
And then we boleh contact lah. Basically we have our number that boleh contact, and actually wherever you are, the whole of Malaysia, you boleh contact us.
Okay.
Because you don't need to come to our clinic.
Okay.
So macam contohnya, kita memang biasanya kita akan start with bloods. So bloods we have like 33 we partner with Pantai Lab. So mana-mana you kat Sabah ke Sarawak ke Kelantan Terengganu ke, you can take blood dekat sana. And then nanti you akan telehealth dengan kita lah once we get the results, and then we can give you, suggestions